Welcome back to the class. Taring ansugi Saturday English grammar ki essential English grammar lopthen digi lopthen shubshanga padala leure. Tinang lo cho ngansugi karishigurne thandang ansu tiwa tidang rang gangdo de ro lopthen de lopthen ni sumsangma ta taring de karicha de na who is she talking to? What is it like? Midan chala gang le keja shedu sambola who lani pejo chidang da what le pejo chidang de kandire le chyorwa di chadir da thangbo edina Julia kharichide do khaba nange shede do ara Julia is talking to somebody Julia chinyam de keja shede shale chyorwa ta thiwa khande thiyore who is she talking to who su le dinga chago ra khasa ta digi thamadala khari ligir na thiwa to di thamadala thinde sunyam ke shede do le di preposition chik ligir da in questions beginning who what where which su kare kawa khagi le chorwa di thama tinjo changma gi kare yorlanna thama la preposition chikli girlar dra usually go at the end preposition yangna to yangna from yangna with this sum thiwa dige khangru chin go chuk this preposition to from with la di yamdola choguri la ra pensation example thangbod na where are you from kirang khawani la di where ni go chuk di from la chodwara ani I am from Thailand nga Thailand ni is John was afraid. John shediyorla ruata. Karila shediyorla du. What was he afraid of? What len go to the off le zokso ko karila shediyoris. Was len detigred wa. Who do these books belong to? Who la du su la rua. Ani tama zoksa de tu. Tap dige who do these books belong to? Tap dige sugire la du they are mine dige nyegiris. Tom's father is in the hospital. Tom gipa la menga la yor du. Which hospital is he in? Which la du khagi la du sambola nanglo la yor la preposition in de thamal dwara menga khagi nang la yoris. Ta la du disum chik bu jamar dwara preposition khari imbo ini an chik do chogu dwa. Kate is going on holiday. Kate hungse dwer la dwara. Who with la du sunyam do. Who is she going with la wordra? Tamadala with nyam joswa sunyam dwershas. I want to talk to you. Nga kiranyam geshing it would ladu. What about na karikorla? Ringbochin na what do you want to talk to me about? Nga karikorla nyanyam de geshing it would ledgerwa. What nego the preposition about la joswa. Tisha. Bitinangla. What is it like? Tadi karido yor ledgerwa. What are they like? Karido yor ledi geshidang diridam. What's your new house like? Kirangi kangbasawa de kandiduladi. It's very big. Chimbobedus. What is it like? What is it like? Le de tiwarwa. Tiwa de kadu tigorlena. Tell me something about it. Chigi korla kandi yeme korla laina. What is it like? Le de piju chigorda. Is it good or bad? Yakudo dukjado. Big or small? Chimbodo chungchungdo. Old or new? When we say what is it like is a preposition. Like the preposition race. It is not the verb like now do like the maritas, right? Okay, there's a new restaurant in our street. Nganjo de lamga the neighbor de la kimze road de lamga de la karidula na sangan sawa cheche dule chorwa. What's it's like ladu khande roch do ladu is it good yagu des ani len khari jagore I don't know I haven't eaten there yet nga phage la kisa me le chorwa nipa what's your new teacher like kirangi gigin sawa de khande roch do le chorwa she's very good we learn a lot pe agudu nga pe mangbo sawa ro shinge do le chorwa ta sumba dinala I met Linda's parents yesterday khasanga Linda gi phama thuk suladu did you what are they like? Kunzo kandido ladi. They are very friendly. Kunzo pe yakudu chambu chachujo diresha le juara. Did you have a nice holiday? What was the weather like? Kirang kongse yabu chungswes. Ani namshi de kandido ladi. What like le suara? It was lovely. The sun shone every day. Pe yabu chungsos nima katuin bayini ashar sung le juara. Dicha. Tanganzo jongsin chiginda. Tangbodi karre. You want the missing information, write questions with who or what, ra. Tangan dela len kashis chido, dil po tiwa tiwa the pension tangbodi kalado. The letter is from X la dwara, ani tiwa nang kalado. Who is the letter from? Yige the sweet nang suledi tiwa who the what chikla go to the and the preposition chikla jogo yorwa diche ni pate I am looking for an X nga chik go la di sambola what are you looking for chaswa sumba I went to the cinema with X nga dinyamdola cinema la drawing temu taga drawing la jorwa tiwa de kandi chawre mi chinyamdona who ni go jorwa who did you go to the cinema with that's why the film was about dash film de digi kor la redu le ta film de khari kor la redu la rwa what was the film about tenero chene ngapa thukpal hingi so nangle chenda chemat nangkhale do complete the questions for the picture. Use one of these verbs plus a preposition. Dige chik dige piju che and preposition chik thi an nganzo ma thi urda. Preposition gilup thing nganzo ki channel thola yor dalinge so kisi chik tangi thowara ji na. Okay, chik khari garte to listen nyemba look tawa talk keja shewa wait guwa write thiwa. Ta thangbote nang khari chido talk chide do nyebote nanglo la khari chide do piche tiskwa. Piche keja rang shede usarwa. Sumbadi nang khari chido write thide doara. Shibadi nanglo la yang okay shibadi talking sare sumbat nyipati khari dulana mikta dewa look to shturwa ani ngapati nang khari chido dulana I think he's also I don't know what is he doing tawra khari chido ani thamade khari chido kunzo peche wait chido sarwa okay di ngapati listen nyende doa okay ta thangbodna who is she talking to? Mosunyamdo keja shedyorele chaswara tanga zu nipati nangla khari chidyo me roshta gorderwa di nipati ta dedwa look chidedwa ani nga zo what are you looking repetition khari lirlena at khari lta dius sumba ko khari chidedo yigi chidedwara ta who is he writing to sule yigi chidyoris question mark shibadela keja shededwa what are you lanere yangna de mini do de talking about karikor leke je shedioris ra ngapati nang kharichide do ko nyende do ara ta what are you listening to kyo khari nyende yu la jorwa yana pui de puto do pomodo do gochu masta puina what is he listening to lane digre pomoina what is she listening to ngapa chukpati kharichide me lenge chogi del tisharo cha. Next, write questions beginning which leni khagi le din go chun thi gorta thangbote khalado Tom's father is in the hospital. Tom ge pala menga le yor le du which hospital is he in khagi na yor le yor ra ye patel khalado we stayed at a hotel manzo hotel chik le dein le yor ra ta hotel khagi la dein le ra which hotel lap ani ta delang ye shong master wa ye dela tiginda which hotel did ani you stay in kagin nan de la jorwa ani question mark yashana tigurda. Next, Jack plays for a football team. Jack football team chigi chedol chigur chimche gor la jorwa which team coaching chedon does he play for kagi chedu chigures ani thamadling is in le chainda. Last in Ankarlado or last Mardora Gomato. Jamatna, you want some information about another country. Jagab Shambachi Korlangazunetu. You ask somebody who has been there. Tapagala donyu chilangazukejatis, ask questions. What is our like the what Kijablo is lira are lira de la poetier the ra? Tambot Nankala the roads estida and are lira. What are the roads like? Dige lamga dige khandido ledger the food. What is the food like? People michigle mawarra. What are the people like? Tende roshine thama the weather korla hinge so isu tisharu chia. Next, the thamadel ask questions with what was worth the present simple tang the past simple noun to your da. Tamadela likely lewa your friend just has just come back from holiday. Ask about the weather. Nye ropa thandaram dinile res khongsen le res namshi ko lage chiladu khandilado what was the weather like ladwa. Tanyi badal khalado your friend has just come back from the cinema. Ask about the film. Temudi khandidu le jorwa ta nganzugi kharikor le re du khandidu le jorwa. What was the film like? Temo khandi chungso le de. Next, your friend has just finished an English course. Ask about the lesson. Lobchen dige khandi chungso le rwa rokpa thandaran lobchen inji jangres. Lessons la dwara chezang were. What were the lessons like? Tende chene lengi tsogi tamade nangle chiruchi andi nyam dongan zo lobchen shagi karinche.